Hey everybody, it's Lynn with the Elias Family Kitchen. Today I am going to make rice porridge with pork and shrimp. This is the ultimate Cantonese comfort food, and it's easy and delicious. Cantonese rice porridge has a thin and creamy texture. It usually takes a couple of hours on the stovetop to achieve this type of texture. I'm going to show you how to do this in less than 1 hour. Heat up 2.5 quarts of water. While the water is heating up, wash half a cup of rice until the water runs clear. I recommend Thai Jasmine rice for its creamy texture and fragrant flavor, but feel free to experiment with other varieties of rice if you like. After washing, soak rice in hot water and set aside. Marinate pork with salt and white pepper, rice wine, and grated ginger. Marinate shrimp with the same ingredients. Once water in the pot is boiling, drain water from rice and add to the pot. Stir it with a ladle to prevent rice from sticking to the bottom and bring it to a boil. Add pork and use the ladle to break it up. Bring it to a boil and cook on high heat, uncovered, for 15 minutes. Give it a quick stir, then continue to cook for another 15 minutes. At this point, the porridge will become thick and may stick to the bottom. It's okay. Add 2 cups of water and scrape the bottom with the ladle. Bring it to a boil again and then lower the heat to medium and cook for another 15 minutes. You should check and stir it every 5 minutes from this point on. After 45 minutes of cooking, the porridge should look like this. Add shrimp and cook for 1 minute. Don't overcook the shrimp. Beat up 2 eggs and add to the pot. Stir and turn off the heat. The eggs adds a really nice creamy texture and rich flavor to the porridge. Feel free to season the porridge with salt and white pepper to taste. Green onions are a must-have for porridge. It adds freshness and it makes a great garnish. And there you have it, creamy Cantonese rice porridge in less than 1 hour. In my family, we love to pair it with a crunchy toast or crispy green onion pancakes. I actually made some flaky green onion pancakes with egg roll wrappers in 10 minutes while cooking this porridge. So don't forget to check out the link in the description if you want to learn how to make those. Remember, for best results, soak the rice before adding to the pot and don't overcook the shrimp. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments section below. I'll see you next time with more delicious food.